Dear friends, on behalf of Shop Surya, I am here to introduce you Surya Mosquito Killer 2017 with LED lights. Instead of before we will use LED tubes, not LED lights, and now the running cost is very less as compared to before because of the LED lights. Now it will use only 20 paisa of electricity a day. That means one unit, you can say around 6 rupees a month. And as compare, if we use liquid repellent, they will use around 1.5 rupees liquid repellent cost, as well as the electricity consumption. Total it will be around 2 rupees per day, 60 rupees a month. It's a very economical product and your running cost is really low. Now the mosquito killer, they will find you, they will bite you because they can find you because of the carbon dioxide released by you. Normally, any type of mosquito killing machine is not functional at your presence in the room. So, the basic function of a mosquito killer is to define like this. You should use this machine prior you go to bed. Like suppose you go to bed around 10 o'clock. It's preferable that you start this machine in your room around 8 o'clock. 2 hours is sufficient time, and in that 2 hours do not switch on any type of tube, air condition, water coolers or any type of fan. Just switch them off so that this machine will attract all the mosquito in the room and they will kill each and every mosquito in your room, so that when you go to bed there will be no mosquito living in your room to bite you. We are an environment friendly company and we believe any type of chemical that can kill a mosquito will definitely harm human beings, especially the children's. In this mosquito killer, as you can see, we don't use any type of chemicals, fumes or any type of liquid in any form. It's an environment friendly product which is used only to kill mosquito and does not harm any type of human beings. As you can see in this product, the mosquito will get attracted towards the light and they will definitely attracted towards the light in the dark. If suppose like in this video recording you can see there are so much of light, if room like this it will not be effective. So it is effective only in the dark room. As I advised you earlier, when you use this machine, switch off your lights, fan, air condition, then you will get 100% of the results and it will kill 100% of your mosquito. Normally the mosquito will attract towards this light, and when they come near to this, because of this fan on the back side, it will suck the mosquito inside machine like this. The mosquito will come near to this machine at this area, and what will happen, because of this fan the mosquito will get sucked from here and it will get touched by this grill and they will get killed. In this machine, as you can see, this is the grill which will kill. After few days, or like if you have lots of mosquito every day in nearby your place, you can clean this. You can use any type of brush like this, clean this, just remove this and we'll put it back. There's a grooves upside and downside. Downside there are 3 grooves, upside there is 1 groove, and they will fit it properly like this. Normally in the traditional type of mosquito killer, what will happen, that the mosquito will be get killed when they come near to this, when you use any type of traditional mosquito killer, mosquito will come near to the machine. First day every machine will kill the mosquito because mosquito doesn't know that this machine is for killing them. In the traditional type of mosquito killer, they don't use any type of fan technology or any type of sucking technology. What will happen, when we use the machine traditionally, it's a round shape types. The mosquito will come near to it on day 1 and they will go inside and they will be get killed because of the current drills inside it. But what will happen day 2? On day 2, all the mosquito will know very clearly that yesterday their whole generation was killed by that machine, but due to that light they will get attracted, but they will sit on this type of safety grill, but they don't go inside. In this machine, what will happen when they come near to this machine and they try to sit here, they will be easily sucked by this fan. They will be killed by the current drill as shown you